Okay, let's go continue with number two. Number two, Great Day HR. This is a mobile first HRIS platform that integrates payroll, attendance tracking, leave management, and employee self service. Useful for SMEs looking to centralize HR and payroll in one accessible solution. Number three, Jayon Soft Payroll Suite. JPS, a locally used on-premise payroll and HR system with over 2 decades in the market, offers automation for salary, deductions, contributions, biometric timekeeping, loan tracking, and payslip distribution, well suited for organizations requiring local customization and self-hosted solutions. Number 4, Darwin Box Payroll, Philippines. Part of the Darwin Box HCM suite with a payroll module tailored for Philippine obligations. Features real-time sync with attendance, support for various payroll, cycles, and analytics, mobile self-service, and strong compliance with SSS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, and 13-month pay requirements. Number 5, Hash Micro Payroll and ERP, a cloud-based system from Hash Micro with modules for payroll, HR, accounting, and more, designed to align with BIR, SSS, and other regulatory reporting. And it offers seamless integration across operational functions and mobile accessibility. Recommended by use case. So we have fastest and most comprehensive option. Sprout Payroll, ideal for SMEs needing all-in-one automation with strong compliance. Mobile and compact, Great Day HR, good for startups or field teams needing convenience. Institutional, agile companies. So we have Jayansoft or Darwin Box, depending on preferences for on-premise control versus cloud features. We also have integrated enterprise solution, Hash Micro, which is great for businesses seeking ERP with payroll capability. So this is account activated for HR.mi. You go to HR.mi and sign up and let it be activated on your end. So this is what we call the HR.mi that I am telling you. You can sign up as an administrator or as an employee. So there is your My HR login. HRMS free for lifetime unlimited employee. So there is leave management, expense claim, time clocks and attendance, incident management, document workflow, payroll, employee self-service portal, document and form sharing. You also have employee discussion forum. That is within the HR.mi. So getting started with HR.my. So number 1, sign up. Go to hr.my official site, click sign up, and that is for free. Register as an employer if you're setting up payroll, or as an employee if you only access records. Verify your email to activate your account. Number 2, set up your company. Log in. Go to Company tab, fill in your company name, address, business registration, and contact info. Upload your company logo, and that is optional. Number 3, add employees. Go to employee, then add employee, input personal details, name, contact info, position, department. Set login access for employees so they can log in and see their pay slips, leave credits, etc. Number 4, configure payroll settings. Go to payroll settings, set pay frequency, monthly, semi-monthly, weekly, and then tax setup. Philippines, you can manually set brackets based on BRR tables. Deductions, SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, overtime, and allowances. Number 5, create payroll. Go to payroll, new payroll run. Select the period, say August 1 to 15, and then system automatically computes gross pay, deductions, and net pay. You can export payslips to PDF for employees. Number 6, leave and attendance. Employees can apply for leave requests online. You can approve or deny via dashboard. Track attendance and integrate with biometrics. So manual input also possible. Number 7, generate reports. HR.my allows exports of reports for pay slips, tax and deduction summaries, leave balances. So there is, of course, a video tutorial, and you can go to YouTube for uh, the guide. With this, you can simulate salary computations, deductions, and payroll report in class. Step-by-step sample payroll simulation with sample employee data. Step 1, create an hr.my account. So go to hr.my, click sign up, register as an employer, use your email and password, confirm your email, and log in. Number 2, set up your company profile. On the dashboard, go to company, company profile, then enter company details. Like for example, company name, ABC Trading Corporation, location, Manila, Philippines, currency, PHP. Step 3, add employees. Go to employees, add employee, input details for each sample employee. So you have your employee ID, the name, the position, monthly salary, and then tax status, and then save employees. Step number 4, define payroll settings. Go to payroll settings. 2, choose Philippine tax as tax country. System will load SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, and withholding tax. And then number 3, select monthly payroll cycle. Step 5, run a sample payroll. Go to payroll, Run sample. Number 2, select the payroll period, August 1 to 31, 2025. Number 3, the system automatically computes the gross salary, the deductions, and of course, the net pay. So that is the example output. And step 6, generate payslips. After running payroll, go to payroll and then payslips. And then number 2, download PDF or share via email with employees. Step-by-step simulation in HR.my. So you sign up and then uh, register as an employer, log in to access the HR My Dashboard, and then add samples. So these are different employee details. And the formula for hourly rate is hourly rate monthly salary divided by 160, 160 hours. And assuming 8 hours per day times 20 days, and then set up the payroll. So go to payroll, payroll settings, and then choose pay frequency monthly, then overtime rate, 125% for hourly rate for regular OT, holiday, 200% of daily rate if applicable, and then deductions, add the SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, and tax. So manual input if needed. And then 4, step 4, enter work data. Go to payroll, generate payroll, select the employees and payroll periods, and then input the day's work, overtime for Juan 10 hours, Maria 5 hours, Jose 0 hours, deduction, SSS, Pag-ibig PhilHealth Pag-ibig, manually input or auto if preset. And then step 5, compute gross pay. For example, Juan de la Cruz, an engineer, basic salary 30,000, overtime 10 hours times 187.50 times 1.25. So you have 2,343.75. And then gross pay is 32,343.75 centavos. And then apply deductions, approximate values per demo, and then the actual rates depend on government tables. So SSS 1,200, PhilHealth 600, Pag-ibig 100, tax 3,000. So total deductions is 4,900 pesos. So step 7, the get net pay. So gross pay will be 32,343 and 75 cents, deductions 4,900. So the net pay is 27,443 pesos and 75 centavos. Step 8, generate payslip. Go to payroll payslip, and then HR.my will automatically create a digital payslip. And then this is your activity. Input the sample employees into HR.my, generate payroll for August 2025, compare results with manual computation. So we will have the next part of this lesson, number 13.